This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Okay, have you heard about the spooky, scary house? There's a scary house deep in this forest, and this house eats anyone who dares to enter it. Yum!
That's not true. The house can't eat. It has no teeth.
Huh? Hey, who's there? Show yourself.
Run!
What a lovely day for a walk. Huh? What is that over there? Is that a bird or something? Oh, you're not a bird at all. You're a house. Duh! It's alive? Oh, what do I do now? This has to work. Come on, little house. Sammy won't hurt you. Easy, easy, easy. Gotcha. Sue!
Sammy, what's going on?
Look at this poor little thing. We have to help it.
Of course. We'll clean you up and repair.
All right, let's get started. Come here, buddy. Hey, where are you going?
Come on. It's gonna be okay. Oh, my feta. There's a lot of work to be done.
Let's start with the windows. We need to get these boards out of the way. Come on, come on. It's not working. It just won't let me do anything.
This little house needs a special approach, and I think I've got it. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Here we go. It's so much better without all those boards, isn't it?
This is my chance to clear away all of this stuff. Huh? That's a lot of cobwebs. It looks like it wants to tangle me up. Help!
I'm right here, Sammy. It seems the house continues to resist cleaning. You did a great job, though. All the cobwebs are gone.
This is much more stressful than I thought. I need my beauty sleep. Good luck.
What, right now? But what about the house? Ugh, fine. I'll pick up the garbage then. Oh, what is this? Why is the garbage jumping? Okay, this is actually kind of fun.
A growing slime like me needs at least 9 hours of sleep a day. If I can't have a rest, no one can! Meet my super ticklish feather. Wow! That's not what I had planned to do, but it seems to have worked just right, huh? Am I a genius or what?
All right, we're almost done cleaning up. Now, we gotta fix the roof. Oh, come on!
Leave this job to a professional, Sue. I have a business offer for you, buddy. You'll get this candy. But only if you let us fix you up. That's better.
Bravo, Sammy! You're a real master negotiator.
I went to Tibidaba Business School for a reason.
So, you're a real businessman? Cool!
And like a true business slime, I know exactly when it's lunchtime.
Bon appetit! In the meantime, I'm going to add more flowers. Here. And here. This would be perfect, too. That's so cute. Now we need a number for our house so it can have an address.
This sandwich is just out of this world. I mean, welcome to Sam the Fortune Teller.
Wait, I thought you were a businessman. When did you become a fortune teller?
On my lunch break. Come on, Sue, pull the lucky number.
All right. Let's see. See? I have my own special magic. And this house has its address now.
And a lantern that will glow cozily in the dark.
Oh, Sammy, I think he likes it. That's so cute.
Now let's get to the interior. I can finally use my master's degree in interior design.
Your what?
Knock, knock. This is Inspector Sam. Open up.
Just a minute.
It's worse than I thought. Yuck. But there is no dirt that my super mop can't handle. That's it. And not a speck was left behind. Now about this lamp. Oh no, high ceilings, my only weakness.
Let me help you with that. Here we go. All clear. We can decorate the room.
Furniture delivery. Sign here, please. Oh no, is this the creepy house?
It's not creepy at all. It's very nice. It just needed some cleaning. Here, have a look.
I can't believe it. Is this really that house? It's so beautiful. I have to make a call. Hello, my little house. I'm sorry I don't get to clean you more often. I'll do better. I promise.
That's right. A simple cleaning can do wonders for any space. And when the furniture is beautiful, the room really comes together.
And a beautiful room is the perfect place to sleep.
That's for sure. Except the floors are really cold in here. Not very cozy.
I have a proven solution for that. A soft, fluffy rug.
Okay, let's see. We need storage space in that room. This should be perfect.
Sue, I'm done with a painting for the room.
Wow, it came out great. But just one painting won't be enough.
Not a problem. Drawing skills don't let me down.
And we're done with this room. came out really nice.
Now let's move on to the bathroom. You know the drill, Sue. I'm gonna start with the... Ew. It's gonna take more than just a mop.
I won't touch it with my bare hands either. Now, that's much better.
Great, we can furnish the room. Let's start with the essentials. Ooh, that's better. It's even easier to breathe. What's next?
Master bedroom, of course. Let's get all the dirt out. That's it.
Huh? Where's the bed? I remember I ordered it. Wait a minute. House? Did you hide it? Uh-huh. But why? It's too dirty.
It's not a problem for us. Would you just look at that happy little house?
What do you think about this bedding?
He seems to like it. Awesome. Now, there is a sleeping place in this bedroom, too.
There's a lamp missing, Sue. What if the future tenants were afraid of the dark? I'm very afraid of it.
Huh? Oh, so you are a little prankster, huh? Sammy, where are you? We need curtains.
Look for them yourself. I'm scared.
Sammy, the lights are back. Come on. By the way, this blanket would make great curtains. Perfect, right?
Totally. And the rug I picked fits too.
A little more decor. And done. We're moving on to the kitchen and the living room.
Step aside, Sue. Slime cleaner is at it again. Just a few more finishing touches and we're good to go.
Huh? What's that? I thought you'd eaten already, Sammy.
That's not me.
I think I know what it is. Here. Phew, the house was just hungry.
Hail Tibidaba, that was scary. Oh, by the way, it's for washing dishes after a meal.
Great addition for the kitchen, Sammy.
Sue, do you think houses wear wigs? I found one.
They're curtains, see?
At least I got the couch right.
A few more final touches. And it's done. Let's take a closer look now.
Wait, in order for the house to get tenants, we have to make a commercial. So, I'd like to introduce you to a super cool house that is looking for a nice family to move in. The house has been tamed, cleaned, and renovated. Just look at all those new vases. Isn't it beautiful?
There's a nice, cozy kids' room. A bathroom right next to the master bedroom. And a spacious kitchen with a living room. Everything is cleaned, remodeled, and ready for the tenants.
Call now and don't miss your chance.
I hope it works. I mean, who wouldn't want to live in a cute little house like this?
Hello? Of course, we're waiting for you.
Oh, they look like a nice family.
Yay, we're so glad you came. Please come in, don't be shy.
The family loved their new home right away and promised to always keep the little house clean. The house loved the family too, and they lived happily together ever since. The end. Thanks for watching, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the story of our little house.
Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our new videos. Bye-bye.
I didn't know who else to turn to. It's a disaster. Princesses Marie and Antoinette have been put in prison.
Forgive my royal court, Sydney. They must be so shocked that they don't know how to respond properly. That's better. Now tell us everything that happened.
Oh, it's just awful. The leprechaun king of the forest has taken the twin princesses prisoner. All because of some disagreement.
Looks like you need a big cuddle.
Please, the tie. It's silk.
Don't worry, Sydney. If somebody needs help, I'll go and help them.
Even if those somebodies are mean Marie and awful Antoinette?
Yes, even them. Let's go.
Yes, this way. The leprechaun king's palace is just up ahead.
If you know the way there, why am I doing the pulling?
Well, Fiona, let's face it. You're way faster than the snail. Why do I have to walk?
Hey, look! Pink trees! Weird, huh?
Yeah, that is strange. The leprechaun king likes his trees green. The only people I know who would want pink trees are... Look out!
On guard!
There we go! Princess Billy, as promised.
Very well. You're free to go.
What's going on here? Is this some sort of trick?
We like to think of it more as a deal. We turn in the person who made the trees go pink, and in exchange, we're set free. Yeah, bad Billy for turning the trees pink. Let's go, Sydney! Thanks, Billy! Oh.
Why did you change the color of my trees?
I promise you, I had nothing to do with your trees. Did they go pink just like that, for no reason?
Yes, just like that. I heard the twins babbling something beneath the trees, and suddenly they were pink. When I arrested them, they assured me that you did it.
We've been turned pink.
Now it's the birds.
This is serious, and when something bad happens in Magic-y, it's my duty to take care of it. Please, King, let me go find out who's truly behind this so I can fix it.
I'll help you, Billy.
Sure, you say you'll fix it, but how do I know I can trust you?
You can keep me as a prisoner until Princess Billy solves the problem.
Fiona, are you sure?
I gotta say, that's pretty brave. Staying here all alone with the king, who's literally hopping mad?
Just one prisoner for a princess? Huh, she's worth more than that.
This royal guard will stay with me.
Me? I'd love to, but I just remembered I left a bottle of milk out, so I'd better get back to put it away and, Oh, okay, I'll stay too.
Oh, thank you both for your bravery. I'll be back just as soon as I can get to the bottom of this pink problem.
Just get to the bottom fast!
If things are suddenly turning pink, it sounds like magic to me. So, let's hope Ed the Wizard can help us.
Help! Help! I've been robbed by pink robbers!
What happened?
Oh, Princess, there's troublesome trouble in Magic-y. One of my spells has been stolen!
Let me guess. It's a spell about changing the color of things?
How did you know? Are you working with the pandas?
No! Were the problem pandas here?
Indeed. I was coming in earlier today only to find two of those pink problems running out.
And if the pandas stole the spell, we know who they gave it to. I hate cloudy days. What do you think, Marie? Should we turn them pink? Oh, that would be so much better than boring old gray. Roses are red, violets are blue, clouds are gray, but that won't do. Abracadabra, abracadee. Pink is the color that clouds should be.
That's it! That's my spell!
Give that back! Billy? How did you get free so fast? Here, you can have your silly spell back. A little more pink in the world is all we wanted. Oh! Oh, look, Marie! The pink clouds are raining pink raindrops!
Oh no! This is a most disastrous disaster!
Ed, can you reverse the spell?
To break the spell, you must find the well. There is a well at the end of the rainbow with all the colors in the world in it. You have to dip this spell into the well. But be quick, before the rainbow itself turns pink. If that happens, all of Magic-y will stay pink forever.
Okay, come on, Truman.
I'm sorry, Princess, but you won't do. The teller of the spell has to do the dipping in the well.
So that means Marie and Antoinette have to do it.
No way. We don't go out in the rain. Listen, you two. You started this mess. First, you steal a spell, then you turn Magic-y pink, and then you blame it on me? My friends are in King Leprechaun's jail right now because of you. So you are coming with us. Sheesh, all you had to do was ask.
Of course, nobody cares if I turn pink because of the rain.
But, Sydney, you are pink.
No, I'm deep cherry.
A rainbow! Quick, let's follow it before it turns pink!
Look, there isn't just one well like Ed said. How can we dip the spell in all of these wells at the same time?
Huh. You'd better hurry up and think of something, or we'll all be pink as pixie dust forever! Pixie dust, huh? Maybe that's it! Zsa-zsa! Zsa-zsa! Oh! Princess, why is everything becoming pink? It clashes with my hair. It's one of Ed's spells, Zsa-zsa, and we need your help breaking it. My help?
Zsa-zsa, we need you to put a little of each color into this bucket. But the colors have to stay separate. Can you manage that?
I sure can try. Oh, look out, everyone. Her magic wand is so old it can't even pour a cup of tea without spilling it. Oh, yeah? I'll show you. I can't believe she's doing it. Oops, I spoke too soon. Come on, Zsa-zsa!
You can do it! Yeah!
Hurry! Bring the spell! You did it!
Good work, Zsa-zsa!
Thank you. Now we have to set Sir Kitty Cat and Lady Fiona free. Zsa-zsa, can you take us to King Leprechaun's house?
Princess, we missed you!
You remembered us!
How could I ever forget my dearest friends? You sacrificed a lot for me today. Now let's go home.
Thank you, Princess, for restoring Magic-y to its rightful colors. We're so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y.
Look,
It looks like you took plenty of selfies of both of you wearing Dad's sunglasses.
here's one of them fighting over the glasses. That must have been how they broke.
So, you might want to tell Dad the truth. You're right, Billy. We shouldn't have told a lie in the first place. We'll take our punishment. But, would you mind telling us everything that happens in the episodes we miss?